Hey guys! So when we get into the colder weather, I love a bourbon cocktail. And I always love doing a little twist on a traditional drink. So this one, I'm making a fig old fashioned. We're gonna use fig jam. You can make your own. I just store-bought mine. A lot of times they have this in the cheese section of your local grocery store. And this is a really beautiful fall-esque twist on a regular old fashioned. So check it out. Super easy. Cocktail shaker or some kind of bottle you can just shake and blend with. 2 ounces of bourbon. I love the smell. Oh, I love the smell of bourbon. Smells good. 1.5 teaspoons of fig jam. Yummy. I love fig jam. There is something about the fall and like Christmas time where you really want to have figs, but I gotta start having it at different times of the year too, because I just love it. So you guys, remember our ginger simple syrup? We're adding it to our fig cocktail, our fig old fashioned. This stays good in your fridge for like a month. I infuse, you guys have seen me do this multiple times. I always infuse simple syrups with different like herbs, rosemary, thyme. My lemon simple syrup, I used a ton. This ginger simple syrup, I cook with it. I use it in cocktails. I put it in just regular little drinks during the day, like lemonade, ginger, orange juice, ginger. It's so good. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna do 2 orange bitters. 1, 2. That was a little messy, but we got it in. Okay. So now let's shake it up. It's also a bit of an arm workout. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an ice cube to my shaker just to quickly chill it, and then we're also gonna pour it over ice. Okay, great. So I don't want the fig seeds in my cocktail. I've showed you guys this before. I always have all my little different size strainers, and this is a perfect example of why they're so great. So this will catch all the seeds. Oh my gosh, you guys, that smells so beautiful. Orange peel. So one of my mixologist friends taught me this. You want to light the orange peel to release the oils. A little turn. And there is our fig old fashioned. So easy. Oh, it smells delicious. Whew. That is good. Oh my gosh, the ginger simple syrup and the fig, it adds such a beautiful layer. All right, guys. See you soon.